All right, what's up, guys? So back at one of my car dealerships, and we have a nice white 2014 BMW 5 Series with a nice kind of tan interior. However, as you can see here, there's some serious damage on the seat. Basically what it looks like to me is that they had a car seat in here, so it's a little compressed, and I don't know if someone tried to clean it and mess it up more, or if it was just a case of wear and then maybe something spilling down there and it eating through a little bit. So this should be a pretty easy repair though. We're not gonna have to do too much to it other than re-dye it. So we're gonna clean it, prep it, and I'll show you guys the process. All right guys, so first things first, we're just gonna go ahead and clean the area. I just put my cleaner right on a microfiber towel. I'm just gonna rub it in and get everything off of the surface so that once we go and re-dye it, it'll adhere really nicely. So I'm gonna focus directly on these wear parts where the damage is, but then I will clean the rest of the area around it as well so I can blend the whole repair in and make it look perfect. Alright guys, so now that it is all cleaned and ready to go, I'm going to use some of my high-tack primer base just to seal all of this stuff. It's not bad, you actually can't even really feel the texture of it or anything, so it just needs a little bit of sealer. We'll do that, and then I'll stamp it as well to create a little bit of texture just to help blend it out. Again, all the products I'm going to be using are going to be linked down in the description below, so make sure you check those out if you're interested in doing this to your own seat or getting into the business. So we're going to take the primer and just dab it onto these heavier parts. Okay, grab a little bit more for the other side. All right. Now we'll do a second coat and cover this entire block here, just to make sure it is all nice and uniform. All right, that's pretty much it. So now we're gonna go ahead and mix up the color, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that using my swatch ring. I'll do it real quickly here, but if you guys want to see a full description on how I actually mix my colors so that they're an exact match, I'm gonna put a link up here that'll link to another video where we go into that in depth. And just real quickly, I'm gonna sort of prepare the area so that when I spray, I don't get any overspray on any of the black pieces. Alright, so for my first coat, I've got the color mixed up now. For my first coat, I'm going to rub it in using a towel. I usually use a sponge, but I don't have any right now, so I'm just going to use the towel.